Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials fast. Sign into the exact Google account that owns the voice number and make sure voice is supported in your region. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data so you have a fresh connection. This clears transient network blocks. Next, open a private browser or use the mobile app to avoid cached auth conflicts. Make sure your device date and time are accurate because Google rejects mismatched timestamps. These steps remove most access blockers before deeper fixes. Now you tackle common mid-level causes. Clear cache and cookies, or uninstall and reinstall the Google Voice app to reset stored tokens. If you use a VPN, disable it or set it to your home country. Google often blocks sign-ins from unexpected locations. Then verify your account's recovery options and two-step verification settings so Google isn't blocking access for security reasons. If you manage multiple accounts, sign out everywhere and sign in only to the voice account. This prevents account switching conflicts that break access. Finish by verifying service-specific settings. Open voice. Google, Com, or the app confirm forwarding numbers and accept any permission prompts. If access still fails, try an incognito window, a different browser, or another device to isolate the problem. When all else fails, review Google account security alerts and recent sign-in warnings. If your account is flagged, follow the shown remediation steps or contact Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party extensions or security software that might intercept authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.